One.
Hello, I'm Georgia and I'm from the United Kingdom. I'm just coming to the end of my week here at Preksha Yoga and I have had the most magical time. I have really enjoyed the time I've spent here, and particularly the workshop that I've been doing with Vinod. It's a posture alignment workshop, and it's been so useful for me to be able to develop my practice and to make sure that my alignment and my postures are right. It's going to be so useful for me going forward with my yoga practice. I've been so grateful to Vinod for the teaching that he's given me. He seems to really intuitively know what I need and the advice that I need for my postures, and it's been really helpful. I have had a wonderful time here at Preksha, so I can recommend anyone who wants to deepen their practice and who wants to learn more about yoga and yoga philosophy to spend some time here. Thank you.